Assalamualaikum everyone, welcome back to my channel. In my today's class, I'm gonna solve HSK4 mock test for sentence making part. So let's start. The first question: when you make the sentence, you should remember the sentence should be similar as picture and grammatically correct. So you can make sentence by your own in many ways. I just try to give you some example. So the first picture looks like she feels sleepy, right? So you can solve like shortly. 她觉得有点困。If you just say 她觉得有点困 means she feels a bit sleepy. 觉得 feel 困 means sleepy. 有点 means little. 她觉得有点困 she feels a little bit sleepy. Then it's complete sentence and it's grammatically correct. And if you want to make like it's little more details, like you can say 她很困。她很困 means she is very sleepy. 很 means very. 困 means sleepy. 她很困 she is very sleepy. 因为 because 昨天 means yesterday. 昨天睡得太晚。她很困，因为昨天睡得太晚 means she is very sleepy because she went to bed too late last night. 昨天 means yesterday. 睡得太晚 very late. So it can be make sentence like there are many ways. So I just give you 2 examples so you can make like your own way. Okay. Let's see the next one. 味道 means taste. This also you can see the picture carefully first. She tastes a food. So if I say his father maybe said to his daughter, have a taste. How is the flavor? Then it's question like ni. 呛 你呛 means have a taste. 你呛味道怎么样？味道怎么样？你尝味道怎么样？ Have a taste. How was the flavor? First one, the 困 sleepy. 她觉得有点困 she feels a bit sleepy. 二，她很困，因为昨天睡得太晚 she is very sleepy because she went to bed too late last night. The next one, 味道 flavor. 你尝味道怎么样 Have a taste. How was the flavor? The next one is 怀疑 means to doubt or to suspect. Like this one, I can make sentence like to raise. You can say 是吗 really? Then you can say 我怀疑不是真的。是吗？我怀疑不是真的。Really? I doubt it's not true. Or you can say a different way like 她看到这条消息。她看到这条消息，怀疑不是真的。她看到 这条消息怀疑不是真的。She saw this message and suspected it's not true. Okay, so once more, why means doubt or suspect. So you can see the girls look like she suspected something. So 是吗？我怀疑不是真的。Really? I doubt it's not true. Or you can say 她看到这条消息，怀疑不是真的。She saw this message or news and suspected it was not true. The next one, lie the G means have enough time, and this person looks like he saw the time and he have enough time for to do something. So the most short sentence is like this. 时间还来得及. If you just say this one, 时间还来得及 means there's still have enough time. This one is correct. If you want to make sentence more detailed, more big sentence, then you can say he looked at his watch and feels it still have enough time. So how do you make sentence? 他看了看表 He looked at his watch. 觉得 thought 还来得及 and thought still have enough time. So 他看了看表 means he looked at his watch. 觉得还来得及 and thought there was still enough time. Okay, so once more, 来得及means have enough time. So 时间还来得及 there's still enough time. Or 他看了看表觉得还来得及 he looked at his watch and thought there was still enough time. The next one, 肚脐means belly or stomach, and she feels like she feel stomachache or pain, right? So I can say just 她 subject is 她突然 suddenly 她突然觉得 means feel 她突然觉得 she suddenly feel 肚脐疼 肚脐疼 means stomach pain 她突然觉得肚脐疼 or if you want to ask question like in another way 你怎么了 What's wrong with you 你怎么了肚脐疼你怎么了肚脐疼 It's a question. What's wrong with you? Stomachache? So again, 肚脐 stomach or belly. 她突然觉得肚脐疼 She suddenly felt stomachache. 你怎么了肚脐疼 What's wrong with you? Stomachache? So let's see all. Okay, so once again, all together. 困 means sleepy. 她觉得有点困 She feels a bit sleepy. 她很困，因为昨天睡得太晚 She is very sleepy because she went to bed too late last night. And also if you say 她觉得困，因为昨天晚上睡得不好 She feels sleepy because last night she didn't sleep well. This is also correct. The next one, 味道你尝尝味道怎么样 Have a taste. How was the flavor? The next one, 怀疑 doubt 是吗我怀疑不是真的 I doubt it's not true. Or 她看到这条消息怀疑不是真的 She saw this message or news and suspected it was not true. The next one, 来得及 have enough time. 时间还来得及 there's still enough time. 而他看了看表，觉得还来得及 he looked at the watch and thought there was still enough time. 肚子 belly or stomach. 他突然觉得肚子疼 she suddenly felt stomachache. 而你怎么了？肚子疼 What's wrong with you, stomachache? So that's all for today, and if you feel my video is helpful for you, please subscribe my channel. Bye bye.